Well, okay, well, there it is. I promised you that I would show you these lift extensions for the scissor lift that I picked up from the Eastwood Company. And as you can see, it works fantastic. I'm able to get right on the rocker panel all the way around. It's much easier on cars rather than trying to manipulate the vehicle one side or the other to get it on the frame. So I've got a lot of reach there now, so I can put the van on here. I can get right on the rocker, no problems at all. You want to make sure that the rocker is got some meat to it. I mean, if it's rotted or anything like that, and I've had to patch these a couple of times, so they're a little punky, so be careful on that. Otherwise than that, I think you're going to be very happy with them. One of the things I discovered is this does stick out a lot further, so be careful when you climb in and out of there. You don't hit your head on there, because it's going to happen. It just hasn't happened to me yet. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and I would strongly recommend these if you have a scissor lift. So, again, they came from the Eastwood Company, and we should be set to go. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.